Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are well. Now I want to say about small steps. Small steps win. Big results start small, very small. Many people wait for big chances. They ignore small actions. Progress does not need permission, it needs movement. Small steps reduce fear. They build confidence. They create rhythm. Stopping breaks rhythm. Continuing builds strength. If you are young, do not rush. Begin where you are. Use what you have. Improve 1% each day. 5 minutes daily for 1 year beats 1 hour once a month. Do not wait for perfect steps. Take the next small one. Small steps win. Thank you so much for giving your most valuable time. Stay safe. Assalamu alaikum.